loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tatyanna and today's video is going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So here are the things that I got. I'm missing one item, but I'll just add like a small clip of me unboxing that one to this video at the end. So I'm going to start with the smallest box and work my way down to the biggest box. So the first box is here. This is how they come in like this cardboard box. I ordered it from my client advisor in Vegas and she just ships it to me. It says my name on it. It's a card. Oh, it says happy birthday Tatyanna. I hope you have a wonderful day and wish you many blessings this year. Oh, that's so sweet of her. And it has like a little Leo. Shout out to all the Leos. So the first thing I got, you guys know it's a pull-out box. And it has paper like this. You can kind of guess what it is. It's a Bandeau. I don't know if you guys could kind of see it, but it's so pretty. I really wanted to get a leopard print for my collection, so I'm excited. The next box. Do you want to take any guesses to what this one is? Let me know what you think. So it's not enough paper, so it's a purse. And y'all, when I saw this on the website, look at this. Oh my god. It's prettier in person. I'll have to add like different angles. It came with this chain, this gold chain. It's so pretty and it has the inserts that come inside. I'll insert like mod shots so you guys can see a closer look. But this is so cute. I'm gonna put the chain on and show you guys how it looks with the chain. So I'm not a fan of like the regular Felicie. Like I just felt like, I don't know, it was missing something. So when I saw this print, I knew that I needed this purse. And what I like about the Felicie, it can be worn in multiple ways. So you can actually like wrap this chain around like this. And now you have like the shoulder bag. I think this is so cute and girly and fun. Perfect for the summer. It could be for the winter. It can be for anything that you need it to be. The spring. I feel like it's super versatile. And I just It's like way prettier in person. Like it just came out recently. I want to say maybe like May or June it came out. So I'll make sure to list all the product codes down below, so check the description if you're interested in any of the items I'm going to show you guys. If I seem tired, y'all, it's 5 a.m. in the morning. So I'm sorry. So the next thing I got is this. I tried to open everything to make it easier for unboxing. Can y'all guess what this one is? So this, I think I know what this one is, but it could be this one. I'm not sure. Let me see. Y'all won't believe what this is. This is like one of the hardest things to buy. And I remember she had to check like 10 stores to get this purse for me. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I don't know if you're ready. Okay. Oh my god, it's so cute. I can't believe I have this. It's so pretty. Wow. Oh, it has just like all the little inserts and tags and all that inside of here. Oh, it's so cute. And I wanted to use the bandeau that I got to wrap around the straps. So I wanted to take this bandeau and like wrap it around the straps. And I have no idea how you wrap the bandeau, so we didn't need help. But I'll try to insert a picture of what I mean, and I want to tie like a bow and just have it like hanging here. So I thought that would be like really cute. I don't know if you can kind of get what I'm saying. Like kind of to give you like a little example. I thought this was so cute. And I feel like I don't have like a versatile small bag that I could just throw anything in. I only have like the Neverfull, which is huge. So I wanted like a cute mini bag that I can put a lot of stuff in. And I watched so many what's in my bags, and this can hold a lot of things. So I'll make sure to film a what's in my bag to show you guys how it looks. But it's so cute, and it's way cuter in person. Even though it's tiny, it holds so much. Oh wow, it's made in France. I know a lot of people go crazy for things that are made in France, so that's cool. I have to hold on to this forever. Like, this is so pretty. And also I thought if I got the bandeau, it'll help me protect the straps here. I also see people like get chains to help protect the straps, so there's like different things you can do. And I know a lot of people hate this. Like, I do wish it was detachable, but at the same time, it's not like, oh my gosh, I hate this either. So yeah, it's so cute. I'm so happy to add this to my collection. So I'll show you guys both bags like side by side. And I thought this could be more cute and dressy and girly, it's more casual. And I have like best of both worlds, so whichever print I feel like going with at the moment, like I have both of them. Or if I want like a dressier look because of the chain, like I have this option. Or I want a more casual look, I have like this. So yeah, so these are them side by side. So the next thing that I got is this one. This is another one that was kind of hard to get because, I don't know, I feel like they're going to stop making this. And I'm pretty sure I know what this is since, you know, I open other stuff. But I don't know, for some reason, like, this was very hard to get, and I didn't think that this would be. I almost was scared that I wasn't gonna be able to get it, so I'm so excited to show y'all. Okay. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Like, are you ready? I don't know if y'all ready. Okay. I don't know how it's packaged, so I'm kind of open it slowly just in case. Oh my god, it's so cute. Y'all, look at it. It's so pretty. I don't know if y'all can see the glare of the ring lights, but oh my god, it's so pretty. Like, and also too, I thought this would be cute with this bandeau as well, like to tie it. So I'll insert photos when everything's like tied and stuff. But yeah, this is just so cute. I love it. I feel like it's just such a unique collector's piece to have, and especially since it's so hard to get, I'm like, okay, are y'all gonna discontinue it? So you should make sure if this is on your wish list, like, you get it just in case. So my last package has finally arrived, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. So this is actually my first pair of Louis Vuitton shoes, and as you can see, as I take it out the box, you can kind of get like a little peek, and you can see that there's slides, and I thought these were so cute and they will go perfectly with my new bandeau. And there's just so many different looks that I can do with this, so I'm excited to style them. And also they do kind of run small. I'm a 37 and a half, but I got the size 38 and they fit perfectly, so make sure you size up if you're interested in these shoes. And so far they're comfortable, but I haven't worn them yet, so I'll give you guys like an update on them. And here's like a video of it so you can see how cute they are. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I do post twice a week. Tell me which piece that I got was your favorite. Let me know below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.